I plugged in.
Oh, they just eliminated.
Okay, so I solved this problem, and negative 18 equals 3.
That is not correct.
That is not correct. There's a problem. You got a trap. Why is there a trap?
Because if y's cancel each other out, so they're not there.
Why do the equations don't work? When is the only time that you'll have no solution with a system of equations?
When the variables cancel out each other.
Think about what the lines look like. Are they intersecting at a given point?
They're parallel.
They're parallel. So it must mean that their slopes are the same. So let's go back to that one. Tricky, huh? Tricky. I know. I gotta keep you guys on your toes all the time. So this is an oddball shape. So I want to get my my x over for this one. So I have x plus 9 equals 3y. So is this 1/3 x plus 3 equals y for my first equation? Okay, and then let's look at this. I'm going to rearrange it and put it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to have minus 6y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 divided by a negative. And I'm going to have y is equal, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 1/3 x minus a half. Do we have the same slopes?
Yes.
Okay, so you just need to know. So let's just summarize. We've done 4 types of little problems here. Okay, I'm just going to go back and make sure that we get them. First one is obvious that you're just going to eliminate. It was very simple, and all you're doing is looking and solving for your x and your y. Okay, the second problem that we did, we multiplied by a -1, subtracted as Jocelyn suggested, and we were able to eliminate fairly easily. The third problem we had to figure out what we're going to multiply by and choose something to multiply, and I think we did a -2. In this case, we had to look at both of them to multiply. This one we had what that we needed to get rid of? The fractions. Okay, so we had to multiply by a number to eliminate the fractions. That's the easiest way to do these. And then this last one, we ended up and it was like, huh? What's the deal? And if you get something like that, you need to think, I wonder why there's no solution. And again, just check your slope. Okay, is that pretty easy? Yeah. These really are pretty easy. So let me give you your assignment for tonight.
Were you guys assigned for each paper?
Where am I?
So, Miss Love, I have a question.